Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you delete your Facebook group very easily. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, open your Facebook application in order to delete your group into Facebook. Then tap to this three bars into the top right corner and select groups from the Facebook menus. Now you just simply have to go to your groups and then you can see all of the groups you can manage. Just simply select the group that you want to delete. And after opening the group section, you have to click to this manage group option in here. From there, you just simply have to scroll down and you can see this delete group button at last. Just simply click into that delete group option and confirm deletion by clicking to delete group. After doing this, your group in Facebook will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.